What's up, guys? It's your boy AwalePop. Today I'm with the boys.
I'm Bryce.
Kieran. Good morning.
And today we're trying Zambusa and we're gonna see if they like it. So let's start.
You go first, man.
Go first.
No, I'll grab one each. Grab one.
Each. If you like it, we got more.
It smells good.
Smells nice, yeah.
You know what? It smells good.
Smells nice, yeah?
So, you know, it's a little sound for me.
Oh my god! It smells so nice.
So nice,
Can
yeah?
I take one?
Of course,
Okay.
for you. Try, nigga. Whatever. Today, you're going to try Zambusa. Say Zambusa.
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 I like that.
Yeah.
Energy, yeah. So, he's going to try the first time. So, pick up one.
Yep.
Okay, eat it. Eat it.
What is it called again?
Zambusa.
Sambusa.
Zambusa.
Sambusa.
Zambusa.
Sambusa.
I like that.
Zambusa tastes good.
Sambusa. No.
Sambusa. Smells good.
Good, man.
Yeah? You want more?
I want.
Nah, I can't give you.
Yeah.
Give me some of that. No, who made this, man? I want to know who made this. If this is a girl that made this, I want to marry that girl.
You want to marry her?
I want to marry him.
Let me call her right now.
Put it right now, throw it out. I want the number. Where's my phone? But who actually made this? I want to check the number.
You know what? Should have married, man.
Yeah.
Kieran, I'm sorry, bro. It's not a big friend, man. Nah. It's okay, Kieran. You want to hug me?
As long as you keep bringing me this, she can stay there.
Just like Kieran, give me this.
No offense, I love your food. Whoever made this is really good.
Yeah?
It tastes really good. I keep dropping.
Sambusa.
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 Zambusa.
Sambusa.
Sambusa.
Zambusa.
Sambusa.
I like that.
Yeah.
What do you think? What do you think?
Impressive, man. Like,
Yeah?
wow, man. You make great use of ingredients, you know, and you know your stuff, your seasoning as well, you know.
Yeah. What do you think about the Zambusa now?
I need to marry myself a Somali man.
First
he
of
can
all,
teach me.
first of all, Somali man cannot cook.
I'll cook, I'll learn. I will learn.
Somali man cannot cook. Cannot.
I'll learn how to make some sambusa.
No one knows. Only Halimos can teach you how to cook. You need to find for yourself Halimo.
Next video, how to become a halimo.
I gotta feed a lot of people, but since you like it, I might give you another one.
Yeah, let's
Open up.
We take a bite?
Yeah, of course, go ahead, man.
Chance.
Oh my God! Hey! Okay, nah, I'm kidding.
You know what I mean?
That's how much he likes Zambusa. Do you like Zambusa? You better like that.
If I want to cook this, I won't be able to know if I die.
No, it's fine, trust me, man. Hey! Another one.
God damn it. Where'd you get this from?
Oh,
My sister made it.
Your sister's a wifey, man. Your sister's a wifey, man.
Nah, I'm kidding, man. I made it, nigga.
It was at this moment that he knew. He
Final answer. What do you guys think about Zambusa?
Final answer? Sambusa is the
Sambusa,
crap.
I would
I love it.
I love it. Mode.
You should make your own restaurant.
So,
How about you, Bryce?
that'll sell. That's something that you don't usually get. So, something different. It
Something
tastes really
super
well. Like I say, Sambusa.
Spicy, good tasting,
Yeah?
good quality, good quantity.
Like everything perfect, yeah?
Perfection.
Perfection.
Hey guys, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. If we get 1,000 likes, we're gonna give away a free box of Zambusa. You know you want this. I like it, he likes it, he likes it, he likes it. His friend's sister that made it,
Yeah.
she's a freaking, oh, she's amazing. Mwah. Don't forget to smash that like button and you get some Zambusa, man.
Zambusa! So what's up guys? I found this guy on the street. I'm gonna ask him. Sorry. What's up guys? So I'm gonna find this guy. Oh, what? I found this guy on the street.